You know how tech keeps getting cooler every day. Well, today we're talking about some of the most amazing gadgets out there right now. Whether you're into smart home devices, tools you can carry everywhere, or cutting-edge AR glasses, this list has something for you. Let's dive right in and check out these game-changing products. 1. Rokid Max AR Glasses, a cinema in your pocket. Let's start with something straight out of the future. The Rokid Max AR Glasses are more than just glasses, they're a personal entertainment hub. Here's what makes them awesome. They give you a 360 degrees virtual screen with micro OLED tech. The visuals are stunning, and the 50 degrees field of view keeps things comfortable for your eyes. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures that everything looks smooth, whether you're gaming or streaming. If you're nearsighted, no worries. They have diopter adjustment up to 600 degrees, so you can tune them to your needs. They work with pretty much everything. Windows, Android, iOS, and even HTPCs. You can connect them directly to your iPhone 15 using a cable or go wireless with AirPlay. Oh, and they're bright enough at 600 nits to use comfortably in most lighting conditions. Imagine watching a movie or playing a game on a giant virtual screen, anytime, anywhere. Pretty cool, right? 2. Supernova Speaker, when sound meets style. Now, let's talk about something simple but incredibly useful, the Supernova Speaker. This is a Bluetooth speaker that gets the basics right while also throwing in a few extras. The sound quality is crystal clear, and if you have more than one, you can pair them for a full stereo experience. It's also a lamp with customizable lighting. Choose from 8 colors to set the mood. On a single charge, it runs for 9 hours, so it's perfect for parties or outdoor trips. What makes it stand out is its unique design. It's a mix of steampunk and futuristic vibes, making it look as cool as it sounds. 3. Sharkey Multi-Tool, your everyday problem solver. We've all seen multi-tools, but the Sharkey takes it to another level. It's tiny, lightweight, and packs 12 tools into one compact device. Here's what it can do. Open bottles, cut boxes, and slice fishing lines. It has 6 screwdrivers, including flat and Phillips heads, plus a hex driver. It even works as a cabing and carabiner. Made from stainless steel, it's tough enough to handle anything and light enough to carry everywhere. If you need a practical tool for everyday situations, Sharkey is your go-to gadget. 4. Uton S1 Smart Floor Lamp. Light up your life. Lighting can make or break a room, and the Uton S1 Smart Floor Lamp makes sure it's always perfect. It can produce 30 watts of brightness with 3000 lumens and comes with 60 million color options. There's a music sync feature that changes the lighting based on the beat, perfect for parties or gaming sessions. You can control it using an app or your favorite voice assistant like Alexa or Google Assistant. It's sturdy enough to handle accidental knocks, so it's great for homes with kids or pets. Whether you're reading, gaming, or just relaxing, this lamp adapts to your vibe. 5. Enabot EBO X, your smart home robot. Now this is something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The Enabot EBO X is a robot that acts as your home's personal security guard. Here's what it does. It has a 4K UHD camera with night vision for real-time monitoring. The AI features can detect if someone falls, remind you about medication, and alert you about strangers. It moves around your home on its own, mapping the space, and docks itself when it needs to recharge. It's not just about security though. It can also play music, provide ambient lighting, and act as a smart assistant. It's like having a friendly robot roommate. 6. Ringo, a water bottle that does more. The Ringo is no ordinary water bottle. It's a combination of hydration and functionality that's perfect for life on the go. It has an integrated MagSafe holder that lets you use it as a phone tripod. You can even rotate your phone 360 degrees for the perfect angle. It keeps drinks hot for 12 hours or cold for 24 hours. It's durable, leak-proof, and holds up to 32 ounces of liquid. Whether you're hiking, exercising, or just relaxing at home, Ringo makes staying hydrated more convenient than ever. 7. Yeelight Cube. Build your perfect light setup. Lighting gets a creative twist with the Yeelight Cube. You can choose from 16 million colors and adjust the brightness to match your mood. The cubes are magnetic, so you can stack and arrange them in different configurations. They connect to Wi-Fi, letting you control them remotely through an app. It's perfect for creating a unique vibe in your room, whether you're working, gaming, or hosting a party. 8. ChargeTree Go. Say goodbye to cable clutter. If you are tired of messy charging cables, the ChargeTree Go is here to help. It's a 3-in-1 wireless charger that works with your phone, AirPods, and smartwatch. The compact design makes it easy to take with you when traveling. It's compatible with MagSafe and works even if your phone has a case. Finally, a charging solution that's simple, portable, and efficient. 9. Metmo Grip, the handyman's best friend. The Metmo Grip is a multifunctional tool that every DIY enthusiast will love. It works as a wrench, hammer, bottle opener, and more. Made from durable materials, it's built to handle tough jobs while being light enough to carry around. Whether you're fixing things at home or on an outdoor adventure, the Metmo Grip is a tool you can count on. 10. EufyCam 3 S330 Smarter Home Security. Last but not least, the EufyCam 3 takes home security to the next level. It records in 4K, so you get crystal clear video day and night. It's solar powered, which means you don't need to worry about charging it. The AI-powered facial recognition can tell the difference between family, pets, and strangers. With local storage that's expandable up to 16 TB, you can keep all your recordings safe without relying on cloud subscriptions. Wrapping it up, and there you have it, minus 10 amazing gadgets that show just how far technology has come. From AR glasses that turn your surroundings into a theater to robots that protect your home, there's something for everyone on this list. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe for more gadget updates and tech news. See you next time.